AMC stock and CLOV stock have had two really big red nasty days in a row. So are the meme stocks. Is AMC, is CLOV, are they crashing? We're going to be talking about that in today's video. We're also going to be talking about some penny stocks that are about to squeeze. Because when you have eyes on the market like we have right now, AMC has been all over the news. CLOV has been all over social media. This has flooded the market with new investors looking to get in on the action. When AMC, the hype fades off. When CLOV, the hype fades off. Investors are going to be looking for the next one that's about to take off. We want to be positioned before it starts to run. We want to be in the stock before it starts to squeeze. And I have a couple stocks for you guys today that we're going to be breaking down that I think have the potential to be the next squeezers. That's right. Woo! What's good on my stock market, homies? It's your boy Kevin. In today's video, we got some stocks that we're going to be analyzing. We're going to be looking at the meme stocks and trying to decide whether there's any good swing trades in AMC or CLOV. I like one of them a lot, the other one so-so. So let's jump right into the charts. Before we get started, guys, do me a big favor. Robinhood stock charts, have you ever used them? Like the little line charts? They're absolutely awful. Look at the chart I got on the screen here. This is Webull. It's like sitting in a fighter pilot cockpit, like one of those fighter pilot training simulators. These charts are awesome. Get your 2 free stocks. Get access to this awesome platform for free. Link in the description. The 2 free stocks are going to be valued up to $1,850. All right, so let's jump right into these meme stocks. The first one I want to talk about is CLOV, ticker CLOV. This is Clover Health Investment, a Medicare company that helps Medicare patients get access to insurance. Their sales have been growing. We are talking about a company that is just not some meme stock that has no fundamental basis to be trading at this price. I actually like CLOV as a company. It's growing. It's seen revenue growth over the last few years, and it's expected to continue growing over the next couple of years. We're expecting to see some earnings per share growth as well. So not only is it a meme stock, dun dun dun, but it's also a legit company. So I do like CLOV a lot for a swing trade. All right, let's jump into the hourly chart. It's going to give us more data. When I'm looking at swing trading, the first thing I do is I'm looking for support and resistance on the daily chart. This is what I have up now for CLOV, but we're trading at kind of a gap, right? You have that gap up from 1160 to 1640. So there's really nothing that I like until we get down to 1160. That's why we need to look at the hourly chart, which gives us more data. It's faster, so you have more data to look at and find more support and resistance areas to base a trade off of. High volume breakout right here. It happened after hours. That's why there's that gap in the daily chart. But that was it right there. You had that gap up after hours. And when you have a breakout over resistance, high volume like that, the stock usually tends not to just crash and give it all back. So this is the buy zone. We have a buy zone from $10.30 all the way up to $13.80. So what I'm planning to do is buy my position in thirds. So if it breaks down towards $13.80, I take a starter position, 1/3 of my desired full size. Let's say it goes down to $12.40. I am now 2/3 my full size, and if it hits the bottom of that range, I am now full size, giving me an average price like at $12.40. Then you set your stop loss, or I set my stop loss, in this case, down under the bottom of that range. We'll call it $10. And then we look for the stock to hold the bottom of that range right there. That's support, right? We got support right there. We expect it to hold the bottom of that range, bounce back up. We set our price targets, boom, 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 scaling out. And that is the swing trade with our highest price target up around $20. Our first price target probably going to be around $17 per share. This CLOV swing trade has a lot of potential. It's been extremely volatile, so I'm going to have to respect my stop, or it can really wreck some accounts. But I like CLOV. I think it's not a bad long-term investment. and then you add on top of that the volatility that it's seen, and it's setting up for a swing trade. If you want to come trade with me, there is a free trial link in the description to the private Discord chat where I send out my buy and sell alerts in real time. AMC, let's break down AMC stock. A rough couple of days for AMC, even though we got some really good news coming out today that AMC got a credit rating boost. What does this mean? So AMC stock, the insiders and executives probably never thought that they were going to get the opportunity to raise capital up at $50 or $40 a share, and that's exactly what they got, and that is absolutely huge for AMC. Why? Because it gives them extra cash to survive. A company that's trying to transition from brick and mortar theaters and figure something out and change with the times, right? We've seen Paramount Plus, how successful Disney Plus has been. So if AMC can do an AMC Plus or something like that, then we're talking about a company that could completely shift and become a monster in the media space. So I talked about AMC in a previous video saying I need to see some evidence that AMC is trying to transition their business model, and I think we're starting to see the early signs of that evidence. So even though AMC was really red today, I think it was actually a good day for the stock long term. Short term, not so good, right? We're down 15% or so on the day. If we jump into that hourly time frame, it's going to give us a better idea of what's going on. We have some support down at 42. That's a key area. Even though we do have defined risk, and that's a necessity for opening up a swing trade, I am way more interested in taking that swing trade in CLOV than I am in AMC, because I think AMC has way more downside risk than does CLOV. However, there is a swing trade to be had right here at $42 as your risk, and you look for it to hold that area. We want to see 42 hold, and then it start to trend back higher. I would set my price targets up near 57. Then you look for that $60 break, maybe 63, and then you look for a test of those recent highs, and that's the swing trade here with AMC. But there is still downside risk. We're talking about a stock that just went from $12 to $75 or $77 a share. And the last video I talked about the risk. I said it's trading at 50 bucks. There's gonna be some volatile days. There's gonna be some days where this stock's up 50%, and there's gonna be some days where it's down 30%. People got mad at me, roasted me in the comments saying, oh, diamond hands this, diamond hands that. Okay, whatever. All I'm saying is there's risk here with this stock. It is going to be extremely volatile. That means we have to respect our stop losses if we're going to be trading it. And if you can't respect your stops, you're going to get absolutely annihilated. Penny stocks are starting to catch fire. The last 3-4 months or so, penny stocks have been kind of dead. Small caps have been dead. However, when you have retail investors coming back into the market because AMC is being talked about by everybody with a webcam and a microphone, including my dumb self, it's going to bring traders back into the market. Traders like trading volatile stocks, aka penny stocks. So I think there is going to be some opportunities in these penny stocks in the small cap markets. We saw GLTO go absolutely nuts today from $4.50 to $16.80. Crazy day. Not one that I personally want to be trading. Look at these halts that it saw. I mean, it was a crazy day for this GLTO. Only traded 14 million shares of volume. Not one that I want to be trading myself, but this is one that I want to be trading, and that's PRPO. We know that they have the deal with Amazon Business to sell their Rona antibody test. They also came out with news the other day. The stock had a really good day 2 days ago, up about 20%, but now it's just bull flagging. We've had a bull flag. We've been holding this stock. It's been frustrating, but the trade is still valid. It's holding up. This is a stock that you can short sell on Webull, okay? On Robinhood. When new traders are learning how to short sell, what stocks do they look for? They look for stocks that are up big, PRPO being one of them. But just because a stock's up big doesn't mean it's gonna crash. And that's where potential short squeezes come into play. You have retail traders shorting this penny stock. It's not going down. It hasn't broken that $3 area that's so key. If it broke that area, I would stop out. But I think there is a potential squeeze here with PRPO. It is my top penny stock right now, and I am currently long almost 4,000 shares. I'm down on the position right now, but I'm looking for that squeeze. If we get the $3 crash, I'll probably stop out, but I'm looking for $6 on this stock, and then to see if we can retest that recent high way up there, but that will be scaling out on the way up. That's gonna wrap the video up, guys. Just wanted to touch base on AMC stock, CLOV, as well as small caps and penny stocks with this PRPO. Gonna be trying to put out a video tomorrow. If you're new to the channel, hit that notification bell and that subscribe button. Everybody do me a favor and destroy the like button, because remember, after all, the like button is not our friend, it's our enemy, and you cannot trust it. The markets are crazy out there, guys. Stay safe, make some money. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.